Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Oz Mechanics, and on today's video, we got this 2012 GMC Sierra up behind me. So the issue with this GMC Sierra, customer was complaining that the vehicle wouldn't start, so they replaced the starter, and after that, they said that it started working for about 3 days, and then afterwards, it would do the same thing. So they had another mechanic show up, and then he called it the PCM. So how about in today's video, we try to figure out this issue and give this vehicle back to the customer. All right, so we're inside the vehicle right now, and let me show you exactly what's going on. So you get the key, put it in, and nothing. I'm turning the key, and nothing. But something really interesting that I just saw right now, check this out. Service theft deterrent system. Check this out right here. This as well, it shows that it's not working. But if we look at this right here, this is not an original key. Has a little hole right here, has where the chip goes in, but this is not an original key. So this is actually like an aftermarket key. Could it just be that this key is not it? Remember, they did say that they put the starter, then it started working, and then after that it stopped working. Is it possible that the chip inside is messed up? Let's do something real quick. I got my key tool max. Let me go get that, and then we're gonna give this a shot. Let's see if it can read this transponder. All right, so we have our key tool max right here. If you want one of these tools, I'm gonna put the link down below. So on this one, what we can do, we can actually read the transponder by clicking on the side right here, and then we click on read transponder. All right, and we're just gonna go ahead and lay this right here. And once we lay this, as you can see, no transponder detected. So we're going to try to read it again. Lay this in here. No transponder detected. All right, now we can go a step further, and this is actually pretty cool right here. We're going to go ahead and see if we can read the tone ring on the side. And it has this ignition switch coil signal detection. So we're going to go ahead, click on that. All right. And to do this, we have to go to the side. And let's see if we can do this with one hand. All right. So as you can see, it's reading it. So it's noticing that we have a signal. So we put this in the off position. As you can see, nothing. Let's go back. Off position, there's nothing. But as soon as we turn the key to the on position, there you go, you see? All right. So is this going to be as easy as replacing this right here? A brand new key? I think it is. And the cool thing is that I got myself a brand new scan tool. And I got me the X-Tool D9. So right now what I'm going to go do, I'm going to see if I can go to the dealership, go get me some brand new keys. I'm going to get 2 so the customer can have an extra one. And then we're going to go ahead and program the key. And then we're going to use our key tool max to actually check the transponder as well. And then we should be a-okay. So let me go get this key first, and then we can come back, and then we're going to look at our scan tool, and we're going to see how we're going to do this. All right, so here you go. We got 2 brand new keys from the dealership, and as you can see, this one has the GM, plus the most important thing right here is that Circle Plus, and this one does not. This is an aftermarket one, so we got 2 brand new ones right here. And what we're going to do, remember, we're just going to see if we can read this transponder. So we're going to go read transponder. And bam, look at that. So we read one. Now let's read the other one. Go to read. And there you go. So now we have 2 good transponders, right, or 2 good keys right here. So the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to put this aside. And we're going to bring my tool right here. And this is a brand new tool I got. All right, so this is our brand new tool. So this is the X-Tool D9 Pro. I've seen other channels display this tool, and I wanted to get one because one thing is, not just one tool is going to do everything. It's always good to have different arsenals. So like I have the top down, I have the auto, I have the snap on, have a launch, and now I have this X tool D9. So I'm pretty excited about this one. And this one has a lot of special features right here. As you can see, oil reset, throttle body reset. We have our keys, and that's what we're going to be using. And I've heard the X tool is really good with this. And we have different things right here with the injector coating, gear learning, all that good stuff. So let's get to this right here. Let's get our keys, brand new ones. So we're going to put them in. And as well, the cool thing about this, it has our VCI, and this is a Bluetooth VCI. So it doesn't have to actually be connected to this. We just got to go down here and connect one end. All right, so one end is connected right there. And now after that, we're going to go to our key programming. We got to agree. And this is going to be under GM. All right, so we're going to go to Immobilizer, GM, and we're going to do Chevrolet. This is a USA, and actually this is a GMC. Sorry about that. GMC Sierra 1500. And this is a 2012 Immobilizer. Alright, so we're going to do all keys lost because, like I said, first of all, the transponder doesn't work on this one. Alright, so now we're going to wait 12 minutes. I'm not going to bore you on this one, so we're just going to wait until we get to close to the 12-minute mark, and then we're going to do exactly what it says. So right now we're just going to fast forward, and then we're going to hit that 12-minute mark. Alright, so we're almost done right here. As you can see, 59. There you go. Enter key and switch to on and then off for 5 seconds, and then remove it and repeat the program to another key. Program is complete. So here it goes. As we can see, our first key, we don't have the security light anymore, so we're going to go take this one off. Then we're going to put our next one, remember, in 5-second intervals. So here goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to go off. I'm just going to retry the other one, and we're going to do that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are done. All right. So now let's press OK on here to finish our programming. And this is going to be the moment of truth. We're going to see if this fixed up the problem. And we just want to verify that this is going to turn off right there. And then after that, there you go. Woohoo! All right, let's try the other key. So we tried one. Now let's go to the other one. Verify that that's working. Perfect. Who needs a PCM when they when you actually just need keys? So, all right, this was pretty awesome. And just one little last thing when we leave right here, just want to talk a little bit about this D9 right here. So this is actually pretty cool, man. This right here, we have our diagnosing, auto scan, and our remote expert right here. And this is actually how I'm doing my recording. It's kind of funny. I have my laptop right here, and I have it set up on TeamViewer, so that's how we're doing our recording right here. But you know, we can check that out. And as well, what I'm going to show you on this before we end off this video, this actually has a topology that's pretty cool. So I'm excited about that. I'm a big fan of the topology. I think Alto was one of the first ones that did that, and now this X tool has the same thing. So if we go to Sierra, and there you go, that's our topology right there. As you can see, it's going to start scanning every single system on this vehicle, and it's going to let us know which ones has codes, which ones are not communicating, which ones are not even on the system. So that's another cool thing about this tool right here. So I'm going to see how everything goes. If I do enjoy this tool, I'm going to have it on more videos, and I'm going to be showing more of the actual stuff that has on this one. For a price tag of about $1,500, this is not too bad of a scan tool. So on this video, we got to see how to test out a key to see if it's working, how to check out the coil in there, and then as well, we got to use this X tool D9 to program this key. So there you go. If you do like this video, don't forget to put a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get our brand new videos coming out from Oz Mechanics. Y'all take care. Y'all have a nice day.